Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious or anything of that nature, but just to set up context, crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and the volume was already well above average. And then you look at the last 30 minutes of the day, and things just got that much crazier, and there was halts and all sorts of stuff. So needless to say, a very bearish day, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while and you've seen stocks like this get beat down at the rate that this one was beat down, I mean, not a guarantee of anything, if only those existed in the market. But it would not be shocking at all to see some sort of snapback bounce to the upside, which is what makes this, from a trading standpoint, a very interesting chart going forward. Because, yeah, the rate at which this thing just got destroyed is, like I said, very intriguing from a trading standpoint. So the first level that I want to focus on here is, and this was important because this was an overall area of support right up here at $1.50. You can see that is where the price bottomed out a few days ago. And then when the price ultimately did break down below there, don't get me wrong, it had already been going downwards, but notice how it was kind of just a shallow, but as soon as that level was broken, it just basically went straight down. So notice how those trajectories changed. Point here being, $1.50 was a very important level of support, and there is a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of bounce, keep an eye on $1.50. That would definitely be a very important level. But really, before you even focus at all on $1.50, first key level that now needs to be broken up above is going to be right there at, I'm going to call 85 cents. So 85 cents and then $1.50 are the two primary levels of resistance to watch going forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, I'm not going to really touch on that just because it's in free fall mode right now. So it's more a matter of going forward, of looking for some sort of, bottoming type candles, whether that be some dojis or a hammer candle. And then you can start to, visualize and put together some trade plans from there. But the key dynamics here, if there are any sort of bounces, then yeah, 85 cents and then $1.50 are going to be those two main battlegrounds going forward. I know I'll be watching this one tomorrow, but yeah, let's see if we can get some sort of snapback movement to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.